How to Make a Drum. Written by Anthony Coran, illustrated by Robert Square. Written by Eang. Did you know that you can make a drum? It's fun and easy to do. Just follow the steps in this book. And what you will need: an empty cardboard top, scissors plus adult to use them, 2 balloons, 2 rubber bands, construction paper, tape, crayons, markers or paint, 2 pencils with eraser tops, 4 drumsticks. You should have an adult nearby to help you. You will start with a tube made out of cardboard. An empty oatmeal box works well. First, take the top off the empty oatmeal box. Have the adult help punch or cut out of the bottom. You should now have a tube that is open at both ends. Next, cover the outside of the drum with construction paper. Use tape to hold the construction paper in place. Then use markers, crayons, or paint to make your drum look the way you want. Use colors and shapes to make your drum look special. Have an adult use the scissors to cut off the small ends of both balloons. Stretch 1 balloon over each end of the tube. Ask the adult to use a rubber band to hold each balloon in place. Now your drum is ready to be played. Use the pencils as drumsticks to make drum sounds. Have fun with your new drum. Okay. Just wait for this. Do you know drums made of different things of different size make different sounds? Try making a drum out of a toilet paper roll. Make one of an empty coffee can and leave the bottom on. How does the sound change? Okay, this is a meaning. Okay, bye.